AWS. What does it stand for? Amazon Web Services, of course. And that's the whole reason why everybody and their brother is talking about the outage. Now, when people hear Amazon, they think to themselves, oh, that's just the shopping network part that's having an issue. No, that is not the case. It is everything from your Starbucks app to your McDonald's app to the stuff that the kids are using for school sometimes. It's having a problem here at the station because we weren't able to get our Adobe stock photos. So it's anything and everything that uses the Amazon Web Service. So how in the world did this even happen?
Amazon had a huge problem with one of their servers, and it kind of sneezed like it had a cold, and it caused a ripple all the way through the internet.
Chew. That's right, Hachu. I really thought it was interesting that he used the sneezing kind of analogy, that it just was like a hiccup, something that, stops you and then all the ripples go out. And so that made all of the internet have an issue today. So how long will it take for it to get back? Well, he thinks a couple of days. He says in the meantime, what you'll want to do is you're going to want to reboot your devices. That way it'll help click on when it comes back.